Hello children, I am Sharmin Kazi from Genius International Islamic School. Today in EVS we are going to learn about school. Now tell me, what is a school, student? Do you know what is a school? A school is a place where we study, learn and get education. Apart from this, we meet a friend. The children studying in a same class are called our classmates. Yes students, स्कूल क्या होती है? जहाँ हम पढ़ने लिखने और एजुकेशन पाने के लिए जाते हैं और इसके अलावा वहाँ हमें हमारे जैसे बहुत से बच्चे मिलते हैं जो हमारी क्लास में पढ़ते हैं, उससे हम फ्रेंड्स बनाते हैं और जो सेम हमारी क्लास में रहते हैं उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? क्लासमेट्स. School is a place of fun, students, where we go to learn, read, draw, dance, sing, and we do learn computers also. Not only this, we have an outdoors activity. We get a fun by playing basketball, football, cricket, badminton outside in the ground of a school. Children, tell me that do you agree with that school is a place of fun? At school we learn to read, write and speak properly. We learn about the wonderful world around us, people and cultures. We learn music, dance and painting. We also pick up good habits and become helpful members of our society. Yes students, by doing this all the activities in our school, हम लोग ये सब चीज़ें जो स्कूल में याद करते हैं, लिखते हैं और अच्छी तरीके से बोलना सीखते हैं. ये और हमारे आसपास का जो वर्ल्ड है अराउंड अस, उसके बारे में, लोगों के बारे में, कल्चर्स के बारे में हम स्कूल में सीखते हैं. नॉट ओनली दिस, वी पिकअप, इसके अलावा हम लोग अच्छी आदतें और अच्छी चीज़ें सीखते हैं स्कूल में जो हमें एक अच्छा मेंबर सोसाइटी में बनने के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. Exercises, games and sports are an important part of every school. Games and exercise keeps us fresh. Most schools have a playground. Parents, teachers and students enjoy school functions like the annual day and sports day. बच्चों, एक्सरसाइज, गेम्स और स्पोर्ट्स जो है वो हर एक स्कूल में एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट होता है स्टडीज़ के अलावा. और गेम्स और एक्सरसाइज जो है वो हमें फ्रेश रखते हैं, एक्टिव रखते हैं. बहुत सी स्कूल्स के जो प्लेग्राउंड होते हैं और वहाँ पे जो एनुअल फंक्शंस होते हैं, एनुअल डेज होते हैं, स्पोर्ट्स डेज होते हैं, तो सारे स्कूल के स्टूडेंट्स, टीचर्स और पेरेंट्स वो फंक्शंस, वो चीज़ें एंजॉय करते हैं. एट स्कूल वी सेलिब्रेट मैनी फेस्टिवल्स. स्कूल में हम लोग बहुत सी फेस्टिवल्स की एक्टिविटी करते हैं. वी विशेस एंड ग्रीट ईच अदर ऑन सच ओकेशंस. हम लोग स्कूल में एक दूसरे के साथ वो चीज़ फेस्टिवल्स सेलिब्रेट करते हैं और उन्हें ग्रीट करते हैं. नाउ पीपल हु हेल्प अस एट स्कूल. Who is the head of the school, students? You all must be knowing that the principal is the head of the school. He or she looks after the whole school. ठीक है बच्चों, ये आपको सबको पता है कि स्कूल का हेड कौन होता है? प्रिंसिपल होते हैं, जो स्कूल की सारी एक्टिविटीज़ के ध्यान रखते हैं और स्टडीज़ के बच्चों का ध्यान रखते हैं. After the principal, from whom do we learn in school, students? Yes, our teachers. Teachers teaches us various subjects. They also teach us good habits. Different teachers teaches us different subjects. As you all know, we have different teachers for different subjects, and the teacher is the only person who teaches us in our school to us. As I said you that all the teachers have different subjects. Some teaches us English, some teaches Hindi, Maths, EVS, GK, Arts and Craft. So we have all different teacher for different subjects. Not only teacher teaches us the subject, but they also sometimes tells us stories. There is also a library in our school. Who take the care of the library? Who manages the library books? The librarian. The librarian manages the school library and keeps record of the books we borrow from the library. The school bus driver drives the school bus, bringing us to the school and taking us back our home. We also have a school bus and a driver. He takes us from home to school and back from school to our home with care. And the another one is the who help us our school is gardener. He takes care of the school garden. You can see here in the picture, he is a gardener and he is taking care of the garden of our school playground. The doctor or nurse in the medical room take care of us if we feel unwell or get hurt. And the last not the least, the peon does many jobs for the school. He or she rings the school bell after each class. Now students, tell me, who is a student? Who are you? As I call you a student, every child who study in a school is called a student. Why do we need to wear uniform at school? Wearing school uniform brings a sense of equality. You should always wear neat and tidy uniform. It will make you look very smart. The school helps us in many ways. You can help your school if you follow this rule. As you students, school helps us in making us study and bringing our activities. We should also help the school by maintaining the following rules. Take care not to damage the school building and furniture. You should take care not to damage the building or furniture of a school. Keep your school clean always. We should keep our school clean throwing the dustbin by throwing the garbage or papers, anything in a dustbin. We should always use dustbins. Do not pluck flowers from the garden. We should not pluck flowers or leaves from the school garden. Respect and obey your teachers. It is very prior that you should always respect and obey your teachers. Always reach school on time. Never quarrel or fight with other students. Any problem, however big it may be, can be solved by talking. Okay students, we should not quarrel or fight with our classmates or students of a school. Any problem may be, we can solve it by talking. And last, everyone likes to see a quiet and well kept school. Thank you. Do like, share and comment and subscribe my channel to get the notification of the upcoming videos for your kids to study at home.